They don't go down.
Oh, you don't get hot.
I go.
Okay.
Hi everyone, it's been a while. I know I'm like so bad at being an influencer. Even though I don't post much, I always think about you guys and I try my best to update you guys through like Instagram and Facebook. But I do have a major update. That's why I'm back here on YouTube. And if you guys look around, guys, I'm in a new house and this is such a big deal for me, guys. I'll give you guys a little backstory why. When we were in Florida, I'm sure you guys remember our house. It was really nice, but we eventually sold it and then we moved here quickly because there was a lot of opportunities here for me. And we had to find a rental home. It was really hard because having a dog, a lot of people didn't want to like rent it out to us. So we quickly found this one house and we just kind of settled into that house. And I also liked that it was in a really great neighborhood and it had great schools, but the house itself was not the best. Over time, I just felt very miserable in this house because we were only supposed to be there like temporary, but somehow we ended up there for like 7 years and the house was really old. Everything was falling apart. There was no like great light sources for me to film, so I was really unmotivated and I was just really frustrated because I just couldn't upload like great content. So once I had my baby, I was like, we really need to get out of here. It was kind of hard for Steve because he was very sentimental with that house and he, you know, there was just memories of our little boy being born and him growing up in that house. So it was kind of hard, but yeah, I told him like, see, we just gotta go. We gotta find a new place. And I was actually praying, guys. I was so desperate. I started praying. I was like, God, if you want us to have a better life, please get us out of this house. And finally, guys, it happened. So how it happened is kind of crazy. If you guys are from California, you remember the tropical storm Hillary. So when it started raining so heavy, our living room collapsed, guys. It was pretty bad. Thankfully, nobody got hurt. And after that, we were forced to move. We were forced to find another place. So this was like the third house that we walked into. And as soon as I walked in, guys, I could just imagine all the things I could do with this house and my eyes just lit up. And I was still a bit indecisive though. I was like, maybe something else will open up, you know, like maybe. And then Steve was like, no, like we're getting this. We don't have any time. So yeah, so we moved into this house, guys. It's been around 4 to 5 months. And all that 4 to 5 months, guys, all I've been doing is shopping for furnitures and just decorating this place. And it's just been my new hobby. And I've been going to Home Goods. I've been going to all of the outlets, guys. Save your money. Go to the Crate and Barrel outlet, CB2 outlets, Living Spaces outlet. We have a lot here in Cali, but you could check your states and see what you guys have, but definitely take advantage of that. And I also had a really great furniture company, Cheetah Living. Thank you so much for sponsoring the couches for my house. And then I also had Lululemon rugs that gave me their beautiful, beautiful rugs to fill up this house. So even with all of that, guys, I still ended up paying around $10,000 to furnish this whole house. I feel like my style has, evolved and changed a bit even with the house decor. So I feel like my style right now is a bit more like minimalistic modern with a touch of like organic pieces and stuff. So that's what I did with this house, guys. And I wish I could show you guys the whole house, but it's still a work in progress. So I'm gonna show you guys my living room, my family room, and maybe my makeup room. As soon as you walk in, you're going to see this living room set, and then there's also a dining table in the back. I've always felt very drawn to more modern European and even like Japandi designs, so that's kind of like my inspirations here. And I went with light furnitures even though I have a toddler because it makes the space look bigger, and then the soft creamy tones of ivory and beige, it's just so calming and soothing. And for the sofas, they're definitely the star of my living room. So I got these from Cheetah Living. They're called the Audrey Bouclé sofa. And as soon as I saw this, I knew this was the perfect sofa that I wanted for my living room. The dimensions, the performance fabric, the little speckled of gray, so it's not fully white. It's just really kid-friendly as well. So there's a couple of my wall arts around the house, and I also DIY'd a lot of the decors. If not, I like to find something that has a unique structure or texture. And everybody loves my olive tree, guys. This is an 8-foot olive tree that I got from Amazon for under $100. And then I got these rounded dining chairs because they look so good with the sofa, and they were also super comfy. The only thing is a bit more grayer than the sofa. And then I also had my dining table custom made and added a whitewash on top. The rug, my dog loves this rug. It is from Loloi Rugs. It's from Chris Loves Julia collection. Okay, upstairs is my makeup room, so it also looks monochromatic, and I like it because it looks clean and spacious. And here's a glimpse of my vanity. I DIY'd the mirror from HomeGoods to kind of match the aesthetic. Our family room is a bit more contemporary with gray walls, so I wanted to brighten it up with a lighter wall art and also a brighter rug. This one is also from Loloi. They have such good quality rugs. This one is called Briggs in Mist and Ivory. And lastly, I'm going to show you guys Cairo's room. I did some wall arts for him and he keeps it really clean. I'm still going to fix it a bit more, but this is what it looks like so far. So yeah guys, that's pretty much what I've done so far. I'm sure I'll keep changing some things around and see like what's gonna look better. But yeah, Cairo, he loves this house. He does miss the old house though sometimes. He's sentimental like his dad. But we're creating a lot of memories already in this house, and it's so special that I got to like, you know, share this with you guys. And if you guys liked anything from my house, I'm gonna try to put them in the description below. Mostly everything is from like Amazon, HomeGoods, maybe Wayfair. I am so happy that you guys were able to watch this video and reach till the end. And I love you guys, and I'll try to be back soon. And see you guys. Bye.